August Wilson is one of Tim's favorite playwrights. So when they turned the play Fences into a film, we went to the theater to watch it. In the film has a really meaningful quote, which makes you reflect on the dual nature of barriers. Some people build fences to keep people out, and other people build fences to keep people in. And this is essentially the central theme of the play, that barriers, whether physical or emotional, can either protect us or restrict us depending on their purpose. I love that concept so much, and to represent that idea, we have a brand new beautiful design for you by Sharon Simpson, Fences. Sharon also reflects on this concept and actually got the idea for this design when she read the quote, "Everything you've ever wanted is on the other side of fear." Fear is like a fence. We wait on one side of the fence with our dreams and our aspirations on the other side. So we can peek through the lattice at the top of the fence and see our dreams on the other side. But we encourage you, when making and wearing this piece, to dream your dreams and climb that fence, and do not let fear keep you from achieving your dreams. This is an amazing design on so many levels. First, you can see these little double crochets look like little fences running along the length of the pattern. And I love the lattice between the fences. It looks like those little trellises you see the vines climbing up, and it gives a nice open and airy and lightweight feel to the shawl. It almost feels like you're wearing a cloud. And I love the detail on the edges. You'll see some lovely lace and then these beautiful little trefoils which resemble the spikes on top of a fence. And you know that I'm a sucker for gradients, and both the scarf version and this shawl version show off a stunning gradient, starting with the lightest color in the middle and fading out to the darkest color on the edges. This is a wonderful symbol of the change that occurs in us when we decide to face our fears and become the best version of ourselves. And this pattern is perfect for adventurous beginners as it just uses simple stitches. And sometimes I feel that the simplest things can produce the most beautiful results. And the pattern repeats itself. So once you learn the stitches, you're good to repeat them as many times as you like. This pattern is really very easy to adjust, both width-wise and length-wise, just depending on what you prefer. And I think you could even make it wider and it would be a gorgeous blanket. And to give this pattern that special elegance, we used our 100% silk Allure Fingering weight yarn. The shine is off the charts and it just feels like pure luxury. We have lots of colors and kits for you too, so you have lots of options to choose from. Just choose a color palette that makes you feel inspired and uplifted and ready to tackle the world. Today, I'm going to be giving away a set of the lovely yarn used to make this shawl version, Wandering Far Hues. So if you would love to enter, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment below letting me know a time in your life when you faced your fears and followed your dreams. Because you never know, you just might inspire someone else in the comments. Like I said, this pattern is pretty straightforward. It mainly uses double crochets and chains. So today, I thought I would show you how easy it is to work the cute little trefoils. So to work our trefoil, we're gonna go ahead and slip stitch into the next stitch and chain 3, 2, 3. Then you're gonna single crochet into that same stitch and then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and single crochet into that same stitch and then another chain 3, 2, 3, and then you'll slip stitch into that same stitch. And you can see it makes those cute little trefoils. And they really are as simple as that, and there's nothing more complex than that in the pattern. So I hope you have an absolutely marvelous time making your own version of Fences, and that it inspires you to face your fears, chase your dreams, and live the life that you deserve. Have a wonderful week, my beautiful friend, and I'm going to see you next week with another beautiful pattern. Bye! Mwah!
I'm gonna do her exactly how your daddy did you. I'm gonna give her the best of what's in me.